Hello everyone. Myself Vedant Pandya and my partner Katan Pandya are here to present a project presentation. Our project is hand gesture control wheelchair. My partner will tell the main objective behind this project.
Here, our main objective is to build wheelchair which is controlled using hand gesture, which will be helpful for the physically challenged people. With the help of this wheelchair, the physically disabled person can move himself or herself desired location with the help of hand gesture that controls the movement of the chair. We will try to build a low cost wheelchair so that middle class people can also afford this. The main motive to build this wheelchair is to minimize the effort that are made by an individual to move from one place to another in a simple wheelchair.
Motivation. So we studied in a survey that overall percentage of person with disabilities in the population was around 2.2% during the year 2018. Their disabilities makes it impossible for them to have a normal life. So we came up with this idea of hand gesture wheelchair. We cannot make their life as it was, but in our aim is to make their life easy so that at least they can move with an ease. Problem statement. The problem in this project was that the person sitting on the wheelchair needs a second person with him to take care of him. So we decided to solve this problem by adding a GPS device which will track the wheelchair. We also add a fall safety alert system which will send a SMS to the other person wherever the person on the wheelchair falls down. So both these devices will help the disabled person to move freely without anyone's help.
Innovation. There are many wheelchairs in the market, for example, the simple ones and the joystick ones. These type of gesture control wheelchair are very rare to find, but still manufactured on customer needs. So we decided to add a GPS tracking device in the wheelchair, which will help the person's family to track wherever wheelchair moves. So with the help of this device, the disabled person can also move freely without anyone's help. We have come up with an idea to implement a safety alert system which will be added in the wheelchair itself. We will try our best to implement this in our project. Tools and technology. Here you can see in the PPT, we are having hardware and the software. Area of our project. Area of our project is Internet of Things. As we all know, in the world of this technology, sensors plays an important role in our day-to-day life and it makes life easier. So we come up with an idea to make one project on Internet of Things.
Okay, so here is a demo model. On the right side, you can see a hand and a wheelchair, which is the wheelchair is controlled with the hand gestures. And the gestures are explained in the second picture. When you move your wrist down, it moves forward. When you move your wrist up, it moves backward. When you move it on the left, it moves on the left, and on the right, it moves on the right. So this was a demo model. So the future scope. Automated wheelchairs can be operated by a wireless remote which can reduce the wiring arrangements. Instead of using acceleration motor, we can use the eye retina using optical sensors to move the wheelchair accordingly. We can use voice command ICs to interface our voice signals with microcontroller. This system can be extended by including GSM which sends an SMS during emergency. Researches are going on development of handicap wheelchair using nervous system of human. So this was our project idea. Hope you liked it. That's it from our side. Thanks for watching this video. And if you like the project idea, then make sure to like, subscribe, and do not forget to share this video. Thank you.